everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review my beauty subscriptions for the month of October. I have BoxyCharm, I have Ipsy, I have Target, and I have Walmart to review. So let's get started. I'm going to grab my first box, and I believe this one is this Target? This one's the Target box. So let's get started. First off, I didn't try this. This is the Olay Total Effects Whip face cream. I don't need to use a moisturizer right, well, I don't need to use this moisturizer right now. I have tested this one before, and this is the one I like in the whips. I am just going to set this back and pull it out later for when I need a moisturizer, or if I'm going on a trip or whatever. I'm going to save this for later. So I did not use that. I'm sorry. I did try out this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. It's okay. I didn't find anything special about it. It was just okay. It says it's a lightweight hydration for everyday use. I know a lot of people swear by this. It's okay. So, yeah, I'll just set that back and pull it out some other time. Who knows when. Next, Bliss Makeup Melt. This is the Dry, Wet, Gentle Jelly Cleanser with Rose Flower. I did use this. I liked it okay. Yeah, it has no smell. I didn't find it to have any smell. I was hoping it would smell like roses. It has no smell, and it cleaned just okay. It's not the best cleanser I've ever used. It's just an okay cleanser. And what I'm going to do with it is I'm actually going to use this to clean my brushes, I think, to use it up. Because I didn't even feel like it was that great of a cleanser for my face. It's just okay. And then the Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower. This is nice. This does not have enough conditioning for me. And this is, it's nice. It's a nice one. I'm not going to run out and buy these, though, either. So, for my Target box, it's okay. It's okay. I don't know if... I don't usually buy Target boxes. I bought it for the shampoo and conditioner, and they're okay. They're okay. And if you love them, that's fine. For me, they're just okay. I have tried much better ones that I like better. So, the Walmart box isn't... so it's okay. Okay, let me set this down. Next, I got my Target box. No, my Walmart box. That was the Target box. Target box was just a Walmart box. I'm probably missing... I know I got a lot of things in my Walmart box, and all I have in my Walmart box right now is 4 things. Oh, my Target box had the Tom's toothpaste. That's right. I like the Tom's toothpaste. It has no minty taste to it. I know my son has an issue with too much of a mint taste. The Tom's had no mint taste, and I could tell my teeth were a little whiter. Okay, now, the Walmart box. I didn't do this sheet mask. Sorry, guys. Life has just been crazy, and I didn't do it. The Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing Bar. I said put the box back in here. It's in my bathroom. I liked it. I did like this for a cleanser, and I will continue using it as my cleanser until I use it up, which a good bar soap can last quite a while, so it's going to last me a while. But yeah, this is okay. I'll throw that in the trash. Also, the Biore Charcoal Cleansing Micellar Water. This is really nice. This is really nice. I enjoyed this. It doesn't even look like I hardly used it, but I did. Put it on my cotton pad, and it does. It works great. I will hang on to that. I am about out of the one I have with my all my makeup stuff, and I've been thinking about buying another one, but I will wait until after I use this one up, and then I will buy another one. And then the Hello toothpaste. It's black. It's black. Did I open this one? Yeah. It's a black toothpaste. It does have a minty taste to it. It's not too bad, though. It has a great taste. And I do find it does help to whiten your teeth. I'm using up the Tom's one right now. I'll put this in the bathroom and use it as well. So that's all I have left in my Walmart box. I don't remember everything else. Everything else is gone. Sorry, but yeah. Walmart was okay. It was pretty good. I liked it better than my Target box. And the Walmart box was $5, and I remember I had like 9 things in there. So, yeah. I'm sorry I can't remember what else was in my Walmart box. But there we go. That's what I got. Now, the main subscriptions. My Ipsy bag. My Ipsy bag. First off, I didn't use my Shape Tape. You guys know I love Shape Tape. This is not the color for me, so I'm going to give that away. Next, this blackhead removal mask. You know what? Compared to the one I got in the BoxyCharm, which I'll talk about in a moment, this is exactly the same. It's exactly the same without the lace. Did it work great? No. I think a Biore strip takes the gunk off your nose. I wasn't impressed. I'm sorry. I wasn't impressed by this. I peeled it off. This one did not hurt to peel off. And it also, when it peeled off, it didn't remove blackheads. It's, yeah. Next, this Mana Lip Lock Step 3 Lip Priming Wand in Amore. This is it. Let me show you the color. I did use this. I put it on. The color is not really my color. I didn't really care for the color. As far as it says it has a primer built in. It's just okay. It's sheer. You got to really build it up to get the color, and that's not really my color. I didn't really care for this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I'm gonna give it away. I just didn't care for it. Next, I'm gonna be honest, guys. I didn't use this bronzer or this blush except on my hand, and I didn't like the way it was on my hand. It's a cream, and it's pale, pale pink. Pale, pale Barbie pink, and that is just not me. I'm putting that on. I can't see. I think I'm just going to go ahead and give this away. Not so good, huh? And then this eyeshadow, I didn't use it, but let's see if I can open it. I do love the color, and I have tried Nomad's products before, and it did feel creamy swatching it. So it's a beautiful shade. I'm going to hang on to it and use it later. I'm just sorry I didn't use it. It's been a little rough time, and I think those of you who don't know, I was just diagnosed with breast cancer, so I didn't really have the most normal last couple of weeks. So I'm sorry I didn't really, you know, I wasn't as good as I should have been. Let me wipe these things off, and we'll move to BoxyCharm. Now, BoxyCharm. Oh. Let's start with this Dermovia face mask. I did a whole video on it. Link it wherever. This sucks. This is awful. It's $30. Not worth $30. 2-time use. It pulled my skin. It hurt pulling off. Yeah. Let me just show you the difference. This is full size for $30. You got 2 of these lace masks and this tube of stuff for 30 bucks, right? This tube is a deluxe sample. Let me show you. Lace appeal. Lace appeal. And this one is, it may look gross, but it's super satisfying. That's the name of it. It's the same thing. There's no difference. They feel the same. They look the same. They smell the same. I don't know how much that one that was in my Ipsy bag cost, but if that's the deluxe sample, it's bigger than the $30 one. It's a gimmick and it's no good in my opinion. So, anyway, as you know, I said when I opened the box, the Superhero by It Cosmetics is not, it's not one of my favorite mascaras. I don't really care for this mascara, and I'm going to put it in a giveaway at some point. I didn't even open it. I didn't do anything with it. The Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This one is in K-Dub, and I already own K-Dub. So I think I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I'm not going to... I have a small one, and with a bright color like this, it's not something I'm going to use up a lot. So I think I'm going to give that away. I love this stuff. I haven't opened this. I've used a sample of it. I haven't opened this yet. I'm going to wait until I need to open a cleanser. I'm okay right now. So, I'm so glad to have this. So I'm excited about that. Now, on to this palette by Pure. The Pure palette, the Midnight Masquerade. Well, it's not my favorite. And I really hate saying that because my other Pure palettes I've loved. This one, not so much. The eyeshadows, there is no way to do an eye look. Well, I mean, you could slap these colors on and call it an eye look. But for me personally, I don't have a way to do a complete eye look because you've got 5 shimmers and a matte. And the matte is a dark brown. Perfect for the crease, I'll admit. But these other shimmers, to me, are more pops of color, not something you would do a complete eye look with. So that's what I don't like about this. I couldn't throw this in my bag and do an eye look. In fact, when I did a look with this, I did try. I ended up using these on my eyes and using these for pop of color. These do not work well as eyeshadows. I know a lot of people say, oh, you can use them as eyeshadows. They did not blend and they did not go on as well as eyeshadows do. So the bronzer is gold. I don't wear a shimmer bronzer. I like a matte bronzer or maybe a little bit of a sheen in my bronzer, but not, downright shiny. No. The blushes are okay. Blushes are okay. The highlight is okay, but again, it's not as shiny of a highlight. It's okay. It's nothing spectacular. So, therefore, I can't really say this is a fantastic palette you need to have. I'm not impressed with it at all, unfortunately. I will keep it for now. I don't foresee me really reaching for it, truthfully. Not even the face products. I don't think I'll reach for this very well. So in my BoxyCharm, for me personally, I got cleanser. So this was not a good month for me all the way around. Not only with my being diagnosed with breast cancer, but my boxes were not great. I think if I had to choose one, it's going to be Walmart. Walmart wins. Is that crazy? Walmart won. Walmart is the winner for the month. Walmart is my winner. So, yeah. That's how I feel about all these things. Because I was not impressed. I am glad to say I will be receiving the Boxy Luxe in December. And I am officially on the wait list for Ipsy Plus. And when they announce that I can be Ipsy Plus, I'm no longer going to get the smaller bag. I don't want these little samples anymore. I'm done receiving these little things, and I want to just get the full-size products. So I'm going to do Ipsy Plus, and I still love my BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is still my favorite. But I have to say I love Walmart too. Walmart's $5. So, yeah, Walmart's the winner this month. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I know probably some of you don't agree with my opinions, and that's okay because we all have our own opinions. We all like different things. So, don't give me a thumbs down because you didn't like what I said. Just don't give me any kind of thumbs up or thumbs down if you didn't agree with me. That's okay. But if you did enjoy this video, I would like a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And yeah, I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching.